Dear students, today I'm going to show you how can we factorize quadratic expression. First of all, we should know what's the quadratic expression general formula. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And here a, b, and c, they are coefficients of the general formula of quadratic expression. Okay, how can we use the formula? Actually, there's no formula. You should know that step by step what we're gonna do. First of all, the multiplication of this form, a multiplied by c, and addition of them will be b. Okay, in which case you should look at that. Which two numbers you should think about, which numbers when you add up them will give you b, when you multiply them you will get ac. Let's use our questions and you will be able to understand how can we factorize. Okay, here we have question x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay, as I mentioned before, a here is 1, ac, the multiplication of them, right? AC. Here A is 1. Let me write it. A is 1. B is 5. C is 6. So A times C will be 6. Addition of them will be just 5. So 5. So, okay, let's look at now. Which two numbers, when you think about, first of all, you should find the factors of 6, right? 1 and 6. Then negative 1 and 6, then 2 and 3, right? Okay, let's check these numbers, negative 2 and negative 3. Okay, when you find a factor of them, then you should find it when you add up them, you should get 5. Okay, 1 plus 6. Okay, will you get the 5? No, that's why this one's not. And when you here I just got it. Okay. When you multiply them, you will get 6, right? But whenever you add up them, you will get negative 7. That's why it's not appropriate. So you should get 2 and 3. When you add up them, you will get 5. So what the automatically you should just eliminate the rest of the answers. Okay, 2 and 3, you find it. So what you will do now? So 2 and 3, you will write it. And then look at the coefficient of x. It's just 1, right? And 1x, 1x. So should we simplify something? No. That's why you should take these values like that. So it will be, can you write it instead of 1x just x? Yes, sure, okay. So x plus 3, x plus 2. This is your final answer. Let's try one more. Okay, this question. Z squared plus 8z plus 12, right? Okay, what's the multiplication of them? 1 times 12, which will give you 12. And what's the addition of them? You will get 8, right? Okay, which two numbers you can think about it? So let's find the factors of 12. 1, 12. Then 2, 6, negative 2, negative 6. Then 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4, negative 1, negative 12, right? Okay, let's try. These values, 1 and 12, adopt them, no. 2 and 6, yes. You should take these values, 2 and 6. 2 and 6, I'm writing like that. And then look at the z's coefficient, it's just 1. That's why I'm just copying z and z. So just choose this number. You don't need to simplify because there is nothing, just you should simplify. Okay, z plus 2 and z plus 6. This is your final answer. That's it. How about when your coefficient is not 1? In that case, what you will do? For example, this kind of question. Look at here. Let me use this green color. There is a question 2x squared minus 13x plus 6. Again, what's the multiplication of them? Now, can you see our coefficients is not 1? So you should multiply 2 by 6. It will be 12, right? What's your addition sign? That's negative 13. Which two numbers you can think? 1, 12, again, 3, 4, negative 4, negative 3, negative 1, negative 12, negative 2, negative 6, 2, and 6. Okay, so try first value. Will you get 13? Negative 13? No. This one, no. This one also, no. This one, try it, no. And only negative 1 and negative 12. So you should write this values here. Negative 1 and negative 12. Right? Because you already find it. Then what you will do? What's your coefficient? Is 2. I'm writing here 2x, 2x. So can we simplify any number from here? Yes, sure, because 2 and 12 we can simplify by 2. Okay, let's simplify. When you simplify, you will get 1 and you will get negative 6, right? So it will be 2x minus 1 because you are taking two of these values. And here it will be x minus 6. This is your final answer. Okay, let's try one more question. For example, 7a squared plus 19a minus 6. Okay, multiplication of them will be 42. Addition of them, but it is negative 42 because 6 is negative, right? So addition of them will be 90. So which two numbers you can think? Okay, let's write it. 2 and 21, but it is negative. So let's try this one, negative. And okay, 5, like 6 and 7. Okay, when we write it negative 2 and 21, in that case, when you add up them, you will get 19, right? So I need to take this values because the rest of it, when you try it, you will not get 19. Okay, negative 2 and 21 I'm writing here. And additionally, I'm writing 7a here. Okay, let's see, can we simplify anything at all? So 7 and 21, when we simplify, there is 3 left. And when you add up them, I mean, which number is left? 3 and a left, right? So, okay, 2 by 2, you should take it. It will be 7a minus 2. And then a plus 3. That's final answer. That's it. I hope you understand, guys. Good luck in your IGCSE exam. Have a nice day. Goodbye.